Welcome to Rescheck Info, your number one source for manual J heat loss, green homes, insulation, building components, and energy efficiency. Today we want to talk to you about a quick glossary of Rescheck terms. You can find this information at rescheck.info at the Rescheckspert blog. If for some reason you'd just like us to read it to you, then stay tuned. Today on the Rescheckspert blog, we want to talk to you about the most commonly used Rescheck definitions that we hear on the Rescheck helpline. This dictionary or Rescheck lingo is designed to help you through your Rescheck process and allow you to hear the words and language you may have never heard before. Rescheck report. This is a three-part report developed by the Department of Energy to put all members of a construction project on the same page. Rescheck calculations. The first page of your Rescheck report measures the area and R value of ceilings, walls, and foundations. Also, the window and door energy efficiency, and compares it to how the climate zone where you are building by giving you a pass or fail score. Rescheck checklist. This typically is pages 2 through 10 of your Rescheck. It is a plan based on an on-site inspection form that allows your building department to easily inspect your structure based on the required items in your code and on your Rescheck calculations. Rescheck Compliance Certificate. This is the last page of your Rescheck report. It includes duct insulation, HVAC unit sizing, water heater efficiency. This is typically placed on the electrical panel of a home so any prospective buyer in the future will know exactly what insulation was installed and that you have followed the applicable energy code when generating your Rescheck. Rescheck software. The two current softwares for creating Reschecks are Rescheck Web and Rescheck Desktop. Rescheck Web. This is the only version of Rescheck software that can be used anywhere that there is an internet connection. It's constantly updated with the newest codes and allows sharing among team members. Rescheck Desktop. This is a hard drive-based Rescheck software that you can use in slow, spotty, or no internet locations. Projects are stored on your hard drive. Rescheck for new construction. This is a Rescheck generated for a new structure being erected on a property. Rescheck for addition. An addition is an additional heated square footage that's being added to a home. As long as the existing structure is not disturbed, typically the addition will only need to be Reschecked. Rescheck for alterations. When no additional square footage is being added, but you are altering the insulation or building components of a home, this looks at the new items that you'll be installing and generates a report accordingly. Do-it-yourself Rescheck. You are allowed to create your own Rescheck report. Rescheck.info and the Rescheckspert blog exist for the sole reason of making the Rescheck report the easiest part of your construction project. Free resources, blog posts, and Rescheck helpline all give you the skills and information needed to create a do-it-yourself Rescheck. Rescheck service. Rescheck Info is a Rescheck service that can create a Rescheck for your new construction, addition, or alteration. We charge a minimal price of $79 and return the project to you in 4 to 6 hours. We offer free lifetime modifications to your project. To get started, simply email your plans and a job site address to service@rescheck.info. Icc Energy Codes. Rescheck software include all the recent international energy codes like Icc 2018, Icc 2015, Icc 2012, Icc 2009, and Icc 2006. State-specific energy codes. These are codes that states work together with the Department of Energy to develop. Based on specific climates and state-specific needs, the options for these codes are Florida 2017, Georgia 2011, Massachusetts 7080 CMR, New York City Energy Code, North Carolina 2012, Puerto Rico Energy Code, Utah 2012 Energy Code, and Vermont 2011. You can also locate the Wisconsin Uniform Dwelling Code of 2009 on some older versions of Rescheck desktop software. This basic list of Rescheck definitions should guide you through each step of the Rescheck process. If you think of other terms you would like to hear in your daily Reschecking endeavors, please email them to service@rescheck.info. We'll try to use those in future episodes of the Rescheckspert blog. Thanks again for reading. If you're ready to get started on your Reschecker Manual J, email your plans to service@rescheck.info along with the job site address, or you can visit www.rescheck.info, click the Buy Now button. Go down, click the Buy Now button one more time. You've got everything you need in your cart. Go ahead and purchase that and email your plans. We'll get you started today. Thanks again for listening to the Rescheckspert blog, #1 resource on Reschecks on the internet.